Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
State President ka National People's Party Meghalaya Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi Laythu bahadu menta ka sengkam patrai manu banyu khun nak menta ka election MP. Habakran halor jing sapreng ki khobor ba anrung no uba echam sang pliang sya ka NPP Dr. Kharlukhi lo ong ba ushu ii bat yo sngoling ba kilat pathai hanrei empat don jing Thikna. Ha ka jo ka por Dr. Kharlukhi la banrap lu da ka ba ong ba ka seng kan Pynïeng bet do kertong ba nak seng NPP khalam da Pynïeng Ïano ki ba na kiwi ki seng ki ba penyoso bat ka.
Oh, we'll win the election.
So who is your candidate?
Candidate is yet to be decided. We have decided to put up candidates, but candidate is yet to be decided.
What about Cham Shanglam?
Well, it came out in the news, but let's see.
Is he joining the party?
That not yet. I've not seen.
But there is some condition that...
Yeah, I've seen it in the news, but not yet officially. When it comes officially, then...
When it comes to the seat, you all have shown your mettle, but Shillong seat is otherwise. So
You mean we are not showing our mettle in Shillong seat? In what way?
no, I mean winning
No, winning. In what way you see that?
the Lok Sabha seat. I'm talking.
See, Lok Sabha, this is the time that we have really set ourselves in the Khasi Hills. Like what I said just now, if you look at the vote share, I think we are the largest vote share, we've garnered the largest vote share in this election. So if we go by that, why not? We are not winning this.
Because the Yankees, you don't have MLAs, many.
It's not, you see, not MLA, how many votes? One MLA, one vote. But the voter who cast their vote, more than 3 lakhs voters cast in favor of NPP in the last election. So that was that matter most, not MLA. Not MLA, MP. Me also only one vote just.
Don't you think anti-incumbency both in Tura and Shillong will affect?
Yes, this anti-incumbency had been for so long with us. Even before the election of MLA, anti-incumbency is there. I was asked the same question. But I said not anti-incumbency, is pro-incumbency. And we have proved it in the result. Own candidate, I think we will go for our own candidate.
Because the BJP president, state president is advocating that there should be common.
That is he who advocated, not the NPP president.
Why not?
Before we used to have a combined candidate with UDP and NPP. So the result is the same. This time we said let us have our own candidate so that we will try and win this seat. Why should we have only one Lok Sabha? Why not 2 Lok Sabha MP? See, but we'll ask for application. No. Suppose if Akata doesn't apply, how will you know that Akata is?
When are you planning to hold the meetings to decide about the candidates?
This I think will take some time because election will be only even the month of May. Let us see what happened in this session. What is this news? This special session is called for. I don't know. I have to go, but we don't know what is the issue. I asked even the official there in the Rajasabha, so they have not. Till date is we're traveling on rose petal. So let's see from now on. Just we'll see what will happen.